Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In this video, I am going to guide you through how to edit your Bumble profile. So to do that, first we need to open the Bumble app. Now after opening Bumble app, go to your profile by clicking the human-like icon which should be on the bottommost left corner. After clicking on the profile, click on your photo, or you can just go and click on complete my profile to edit your profile. After clicking on your photo, there is an edit option. Click that. The first thing you'll see is to add pictures. If you want to add more pictures, then just click on the empty boxes and you can add from any option that you want. You can add from Facebook, Insta, or from your gallery, or even take your photos. So after doing that, scroll down and you'll see my interest section. You can fill up this box by just clicking here and selecting the things you are interested in. After selecting the option that you think you are suitable and clicking on to that, click on save. It'll save it and show it on your profile. And the third thing you'll notice is profile promotes. So in here, you basically need to ask a question. You do that by just clicking on ask a question and it will provide you some option. Click on that and answer it. After you have answered it, click on done. After clicking done, you will see the question is up here in the profile promotes. It will show you up in your profile. If you want to change it, then just click on the arrow here and click on replace, or even if you want to update it, click on updates. Now the fourth thing is your bio. So if you want to write a short bio to describe yourself, then click on the box and write something about yourself and click on save. After that, there is the basic section where you add your work, your education, your COVID dating, your gender, location, hometown, everything. You just need to click on add and add in a job you are doing. It is pretty same for every option. The another option is more about me. Now if you want people to know your height, of exercise, your star sign, your education level, everything, then click on add and add in the information that you want other to see, mentioning that everything you are editing here will be shown on your profile. Next section is the section for languages. So choose your language that you know. It will be easy for you to communicate later while using the app. After choosing, just click save and it will be saved. Now you can also connect your other social media sites such as Instagram, your Spotify, your Facebook, and connect there. After doing that, all the information you have put is automatically saved to the Bumble app. Now, that is the process of editing your Bumble profile. If you find this video useful, then make sure you go ahead and give us a like. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification button if you want to get notified of our newest upload. Thank you for watching.